How to add flag in Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add flag in Clubhouse. So how do you add flag in Clubhouse? The first step is to log in into your account, go to the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon, okay? And then once you're on your profiles page, the next step is for you is to click on your profile icon or your profile photo, sorry. So by clicking on your profile photo, the next step would be for you to click on it again and then select an image from your photo library that includes your country's flag, all right, or you can take a new photo with the flag. So once you've done this, once you've selected choose from gallery or you've taken a photo with the flag, select it, upload it, save it, click on the save icon, and then just like that, your flag will be added to your Clubhouse. So this is the trick. This is how you can add flag in Clubhouse. Thank you for watching and have a good day.